Hi, we're Mark and Wendy, brokers at RE/MAX Escarpment. Welcome to our latest listing at 46.5 Turnbull Road in beautiful Dundas.
This home features 2+2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2 parking, double car garage, walkout basement, and so much more.
Let's take a closer look at what this home has to offer. Thank you for visiting us today at 46.5 Turnbull Road in beautiful Dundas.
If you'd like to book an appointment to view this property, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home in Dundas, please call us. My name is Mark, 905-512-1846.
And my name is Wendy, 905-902-9387.